Win 60,000 pesos plus 20,000 pesos consolation prize for a total of 70,000 pesos every Wednesday, starting at 7 p.m.
Non-winning tickets of the Wednesday draw are also qualified to win 100,000 pesos and 40,000 pesos consolation prize for a total of 140,000 pesos every Sunday, starting at 6 p.m.
If you still haven't got your lot, no worries. Your tickets are still qualified to win a total of 1.2 million pesos for the quarterly draw on December 22.
All slot machines and table players are entitled to raffle tickets, so make winning a habit.
More than 200,000 pesos is being given away every week.
Be a winner
Twice a week.
with All Cash Madness raffle promo only at Casablanca Casino inside Hotel Stutzenberg.
Clark Freeport, Philippines.
You know, twice is better.
In celebration of GB 99.1's
Sige na,
30th
kumain.
anniversary, we're giving away more good vibes.
Oh, yo out, yo out.
You got that right. Just grab your very own GV Premium card. GV Premium card.
At paano naman yan?
Just get your GV Premium card from the station or from our participating sponsors. With every single or accumulated purchase of 1,000 pesos from our participating sponsors, you get a 7-inch tablet from GV.
Wow, papagood vibes na yan.
So what are you waiting for? Just grab your GV Premium card right now.
The GV Premium Card is honored at RRJ with branches at Flight Express. For sale, Housing Lot, Block 71, Lot 55, Severa Bacolor. Walking distance from the main gate for rush sale at reasonable price. Call or text Christina at 0906-852-5616. It's your official Good Vibes station, TV 99.1, your Good Vibes.
It's KG for Music's Gourmet.
This song is brought to you by Department of Tourism, Region 3.
Morning stars to shine with teardrops in my eyes. And here I am alone, starting to realize that my days would be brighter if I could learn to hide feelings that I have for you. Keep hurting me inside.
And my days begin with simple thoughts of you. Hoping that tomorrow will be me and you. Sharing dreams with each other and making them come true. Holding one another, saying all I need is you. Will you say that you love me and show me that you can? Say when I need you, you will always be there. But if you go and leave me, that's not be true. My love will
Now my nights would Tinapon niya sa baw ko.
Sorry ka. Sorry.
Nagtatapon yung tinapon sa kotse ko.
Igupin mo yung sabaw mo diba? Hawakan mo yung lagyanan. Hawakan mo.
Bakit sa meron pang...
O, ikaw na, ikaw. Gusto mo ba yun? Kuha kita. Sige, dali lang.
Gusto ko pang baboy.
Sige na, kumain ka na.
Ikaw, kinain mo. Di ba bibili?
Diba? Busin mo yung sabaw mo, ha?
Gusto ko.
Huwag yan, huwag! Huwag, huwag, huwag!
Mama, gusto ko pang... gulay.
Kumain ka muna, mamaya natin nabibigyan gulay. Dahil na ba't dyan?
Gusto ko ba?
O, igupin mo muna to.
Lalagyan mo pa, no?
Kung ako'y nagwagi, pinipilit mang sabihin na ito'y wala sa akin. Ngunit bakit ikaw, King, hawakan mo yung lagyanan mo, King. Higop ang sabaw. Sa kanya bitawan mo yung kutsara.
Bitawan mo yung kutsara.
Sige. Huwag mo nang kamayin yan. Halilo ka na. Igupin mo. Sige. Huwag ka titingin. Huwag ka titingin sa video. Sumubo ka ng kanin. Baba mo na yan.
Ah,
Ay nag-iisa naman ay minamahal
ano na bago kanin?
ang larawan mo at ngayon